Hi guys, thank you for always staying with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make the shoe of this bunny, and as you can see here I already joined ears and also make this flower into the head and then eyes and mouth of this bunny. And now I will show you how to make the shoes of this bunny. I already made for one leg here, and I will show you how to make the another leg here. I use small ply for cotton yarn here for the shoe and also for the dress in the next tutorial. And then I use silver hook like this using for size here, and I need needle, scissor, and also marker for this tutorial. Without wasting your time, let us start it. Make magic ring like this. Make 6 single crochet in this magic ring. This is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the end of your first row. Now pull the short yarn here, this one, and then start for the second row. Make increase for each of stitch here. So the first stitch here in this one, make 2 single crochet for this stitch and put marker first, and now make another single crochet here, and then move to the next stitch here, this one, make 2 single crochet here, move to the next, make 2 single crochet again, this is the last stitch, make 2 single crochet here. So in total here you should have 12 stitch here after you complete for the second row. Now we move to the third row. For the third row, make increase for each of stitch here. Okay, put marker again here. Same with second row. You work for 12 stitch here. So make 2 single crochet for each of stitch here, or increase in each of stitch. Repeat this until to this marker. In total, you should have 24 stitches here. Now, I will move to the four rows. In 4 rows, you work for 5 single crochet first. So, in here, work for 5 single crochet. 1. I put my marker again. Okay, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next stitch, make 2 single crochet here. Okay, now make 5 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make increase in the next stitch. Okay, repeat the same pattern until to here. So you should repeat the same pattern for 4 times, and then you should get 28 stitch after you complete this. Now I will move to the 5th row. In the 5th row, make 9 single crochet first. 1. Don't forget your marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After this, make 5 decrease here. Put the stitch together like this. 1, this is the decrease, and go to the next 2 stitch. 2, and then go to the next 3, and then go to the next again 4, 5. Now you have 9 stitches left here. So in this stitch, you work with single crochet as in another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here in this row, you should have 23 stitch after you complete it. Now I will move to the 6 rows. In 6 rows, you work with 9 single crochet first. 1, okay, go to the next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After this, make 3 decrease here. So this is the first decrease. 1, 2, and go to the next. 3. After you complete 3 decrease, you should have 8 left stitch here. So make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will move to the 7 rows, and 7 rows work with single crochet all. So here you should work for 20 single crochet. So make single crochet for each of stitch. Like this. So just repeat to make single crochet until to this marker, and then walk until to the 11 row here, and I will be back when I already complete for the 11 row here with the same pattern. Already in the 11 rows. Now I will move to the 12 rows. In 12 rows you will work with single crochet, but the difference when you before you pull the yarn, you need to twist the two loops. So let us start it. Here the first single crochet. Before you pull yarn to this two loop, twist like this, and then pull yarn to the twist loop like this. Go to the next. This is the first and this is the second. Twist like this. Here, be careful. Sometimes it's difficult to pull yarn when you twist two loops. Okay, twist like this. And then move to the next stitch. Move again. Okay, the look of this single crochet different with the normal. Trace again, and then move to the next. Just repeat this until to this one, to the first stitch here, this one. I already in the last stitch here, and then pull this like this and sew the remain yarn to here. This is the shear of rabbit, and now I will put it to my rabbit flag here. So this is the look after my rabbit use the shear. This is the tutorial of how to make rabbit shear. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you feel this is useful for you, just click comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.